guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, the Cooking Angel, here again. If you're new on my channel, I'm the Cooking Angel. We make different type of recipes on this channel, and this week's one is delicious, so magnificent, and you guys do not want to miss this. So you know what you do, sit back, subscribe, and we'll get through with the intro. Alright guys, so the first thing we're going to be doing is boiling water for our pasta. So make sure your water is really boiled before you come in with your salt and pasta. So you add some salt to it, and guys, please don't forget to check the description box for the list of ingredients, because I might mention some things and you might not get it. Alright, so our pasta is already boiled. Penne pasta takes a little bit of time to get boiled, so make sure you leave that for as long as possible, and then drain the water from your pasta. You can leave a bit of water left. So guys, now we're going to be coming into our pan, and then we added butter. This butter is Arla butter. It just gives this magnificent flavor. So for me, I always go with this, right? So I have shrimps here, so I just added it to my pan, and then I'm just going to saute that for a while till they're a bit cooked. But then when it was almost cooked, I added some pepper. So guys, you can, you can see I added some pepper, so you can leave that out, but I just wanted something, you know, hot and spicy. So just mix that together till it's done, then you don't take it out. So guys, the next thing we're going to be doing is adding onions to the pan, and then you're just going to saute this for a while. And guys, if you have garlic, please make sure you add it here, because garlic is not an excuse. I don't know how to explain that, but you should definitely always have garlic. I didn't have, so I just used onion. Then my blended pepper is just green pepper, green chili pepper, and green bell pepper. So list of ingredients in the description box, so please check it out. Sorry guys. So mix that till it has been incorporated into the onions. Then add your soy sauce. So mix everything together and make sure the soy sauce gets incorporated well. So guys, I added ginger and garlic powder because remember I did not have garlic at first, so I just wanted a hint of garlic in this thing. I mean, garlic just gives this whole enhancement to food, so you don't want to miss that out. So now I'm going to be adding my pasta. So guys, you're gonna mix all that together. I didn't add everything at once because I wanted to mix them in batches, you know, mix the first set, then mix the second set. So that's what I was doing, because I don't want to have a situation whereby my pasta is like more than my sauce. Yeah, so just mix everything together. So guys, I added some carrots into this. These carrots have been thinly sliced, like really thin. That's the reason why you see I didn't add them at the beginning, because they'll just become all soft and soggy. So I just added them at the ending, towards the ending of this video, just so that they can, you know, just get soft a bit. Then I added the shrimps already cooked before, and guys, you can replace your shrimps with anything: sausage, beef, chicken, anything. So just go flex on this, guys. So mix everything together, and yo guys, this food has I don't know, but this food is ready, right? This food is ready. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Anyways, please do subscribe. And I post weekly, even though this video is not coming in at the time I'm supposed to post it, but I do post weekly. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I love you guys.